Before creating perfumes, this forgotten workshop needed a new beginning. Every great workshop starts with carefully chosen materials. Warm wooden flooring transformed the old stone room into a welcoming workspace. This simple workbench would become the place where every fragrance would come to life. An organized workshop makes every step of the craft more meaningful. Traditional copper tools have helped artisans create perfumes for generations. Now everything was ready. The journey of creating the first handmade perfume could finally begin. Every shelf was carefully built to keep valuable ingredients safe and organized. The traditional copper still became the heart of the workshop, ready for its first fragrance. Nature provides the finest ingredients, but patience turns them into unforgettable perfumes. The first distillation quietly began, marking the start of the workshop's very first perfume. Purity and precision were essential before the fragrance reached its final form. Every corner of the workshop reflected tradition, precision, and the beauty of handmade craftsmanship. Each bottle was carefully filled and finished by hand, reflecting the workshop's traditional craftsmanship. Purity and precision were essential before the fragrance reached its final form. Each bottle was carefully filled and finished by hand, reflecting the workshop's traditional craftsmanship. The workshop was no longer
Every
just
scent
a room.
tells a story.
It had become a place where tradition and creativity.
This is where mine begins. I think there's a special kind of magic in making things by hand. Every label tells its own story.
Even the smallest wooden cap was shaped by hand to make every bottle unique. Natural flowers and handcrafted wood completed the perfect presentation. The empty shelves were finally filled with fragrances created through patience and craftsmanship. The first fragrance captured exactly what she had imagined from the very beginning.